Let us discuss about article insert a and the. What is an article? Article is defined this way. Insert. It is short monosyllabic word, एउटा सिलेबलले बनेको word. Normally used before nouns, नामको अगाडि प्रयोग हुन्छ. Used to define if the noun is specific or not. सेन्टेन्समा प्रयोग भएको नाउन स्पेसिफाइड गरेर प्रयोग भएको छ कि छैन. Since they are used to speak about the noun, they can be considered as adjectives as well. Short monosyllabic word. Article is a short monosyllabic word or a word having only one syllable. For example, yes, no. These words are also of one syllabic word. Normally used before nouns. For example, I bought a pen. In this sentence, pen is noun. I read an article. In this sentence, article is a noun. Let us read the noun book. In this sentence, book is a noun, naming word. So, in the first sentence, a is used before noun, pen. Second sentence, an is used before noun, article. Last sentence, article the is used before noun, book. So, a and the are used before nouns. Next definition. Articles are used to define if the noun is specific or not. For example, first example, the milk in the bottle is not pure. Second example, milk is not pure. In the first example, it specifies that the issue of impurity is especially to the milk contained within the bottle. Or, milk in the bottle is not pure. Which milk is not pure? The milk in the bottle. Milk जुन चाहिँ बोतलमा राखिएको छ, बोतलमा भएको दूध चाहिँ प्योर छैन. So, the article here is specifying the noun, the milk. And second example, milk is not pure. Here, in second example, milk is not pure. In this sentence, which milk? That means it is not specified which milk is not pure. It's as general. It makes a broader statement about the milk itself without specifying a particular container. As we see, articles are used before nouns. What noun is in English and the kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? Nouns. Noun means naming word of person, things or places, etc. And the kinds of noun. Number 1, proper nouns, referring to particular person or places, animal and things as Ramesh, name of person, Belbari is a proper noun, name of place. In this way, second noun, common nouns. It refers to the same kind as doctor. Second noun, collective nouns. It refers to a group of people or things. It's a group, for example, bundle of book, pile of book, bundle of flower, pile of books, committee, etc. Collective noun. Next, abstract noun. It refers to concept, idea, or quality, etc. that cannot be seen physically as beauty, love, honesty, etc. are common noun. Next, last one is material noun. It refers to material or substance from which the thing is made, like gold, iron, silver, water, etc. are material nouns. Since they are used to speak about the noun, they can be considered as adjectives too. Is articles are used to speak about the noun. For example, a book, a pen, a book, एउटा book, a pen, एउटा pen. यिनीहरूले चाहिँ नाउनको बारेमा केही कुरा बोलिदिने भएकोले they can be considered as adjectives too, because adjectives also says or describes or qualifies something to the noun. So adjectives and nouns seem sometimes similar as their text. Adjective is a word that adds, describes, qualifies nouns or pronoun in a sentence. Article also speaks about nouns, they, so they are considered as adjectives too. For example, they are considered adjectives too, but they are different. For example, I read an interesting book. In this sentence, interesting book. Book is a noun, naming word. And what kind of book is interesting? यसले यहाँ किताबको बारेमा केही कुरा बोलिदिएको छ. इन्ट्रेस्टिङ यो एडजेक्टिभ्सले विशेषणले किताब noun नामको बारेमा केही कुरा बोलिदिएको छ. In the same way, the second sentence, example, I read a book. I read a book. A book. Book naming word. A article. Here, यो आर्टिकल अले बुक नेमिङ नाउनलाई क्वालिफाई गरेको छ. बुकको बारेमा केही भनिदिएको छ. एउटा बुक. So here is saying something to the noun book. So they can be considered as adjectives. One question, and then answer is someone is saying that I mean article is more powerful than adjectives as it modifies even adjective. Example, it is a pleasant day today. Example, it is a pleasant day today. A pleasant day. Day naming word. Pleasant adjective. A article. Here, a comes before adjectives pleasant, and they both are saying something about to the noun day. Article is any of a small set of words of affixes used with nouns to limit or give definiteness to the application. Definition 2. According to Collins English Dictionary, says a kind of determiner. Article is a kind of determiner. Determiner. Determiner is a word that precedes a noun and clarifies which noun is being referred to. यसरी, for example, I need a pen. I need a pen. कलम वा एउटा कलम. म कलम चाहन्छु. कलमको बारे. अ कलम. एउटा कलम. Collins English Dictionary says article is a kind of determiner. What determiner is? A determiner is a word that precedes a noun and clarifies which pronoun is being referred to. For example, I need a pen. Here, column. I need a pen. Column. Noun and एउटा column. Macmillan English Dictionary says article is a type of determiner that shows whether you are referring to a particular thing or to a general example of something. Their definition insert: Merriam-Webster Dictionary, Collins Dictionary, Macmillan Dictionary. We have discussed. We have pointed out some definition about article, and now let us say about kinds of article. Articles are a and the, and kinds definite, indefinite, indefinite article a and definite article the. Definite article the is used before noun, and when the article the is used before noun, that time it specifies the noun, which noun is going to be referred or pointed out. For example, the milk in the bottle is not pure. Which milk is not pure? The milk in the bottle. Indefinite article a and they do not specify the noun. They generally they refer the noun in general. About article a and indefinite article, it is said indefinite article has weapons while used in language in the sentence. Their weapons are sounds. They are consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Consonant sounds are of 24 in English. Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga, fa, va, tha, da, sa, ja, sa, ja, cha, ja, ma, na, nga, ya, ra, la, wa, ha. Vowel sounds are grouped into three. First, monophthongs or simple vowel. Second, diphthong. Third, triphthong. Simple vowel are of double kind: a, ya, o, a, e, o. This way, in the same way, diphthong ow, I, ow. Triphthong ae plus a, cluster sound ae plus a. For example, in the term word layer, layer, we find diphthong vowel sound a, layer, this way. Why sounds are called as a weapon of consonant sound a, and that means it helps whether the word begins with consonant sound or vowel sound, and if the word begins with consonant sound, article a is used before the noun. If the word begins with vowel sound, the vowel sound article a and used before vowel sound. So we know, if we the learner of English language know the sounds, symbols, both consonant and vowel, then it will be easy with indefinite pronoun either a or n is used before given noun in the sentence. So let's see consonant sound and big font size. Consonant sound. Next, diphthong, 8 types. Next, triphthongs, diphthong. Then let's come to use of article, definite article, indefinite article a. Indefinite article a is used before singular countable nouns begins with consonant sound. Singular countable nouns begins with consonant sound. For example, a pen, a cat. Here, ka consonant sound. Cat, C-A-T, cat, were phonetically ka, ya, cha. Ka consonant sound, ya vowel sound, ta consonant sound, consonant plus vowel plus consonant sound. Then, so cat is a word begins with consonant sound, that is ka. So article a is used. Next, UFO, U, UNESCO, one-eyed man, URL, URL, U physically vowel sound, but when it is pronounced, ya consonant sound is sent in the beginning. So U U sound is pronounced as ya, you. Ya consonant sound, u vowel sound. Ra is silent in British language. A, la. U, a, al. Beginning letter physically vowel, but when we pronounce, ya consonant sound appear in the initial letter. Initially, ya consonant sound appears. So, as it is a consonant sound, article a is used before URL. A UFO, a UNESCO, a one-eyed man, a URL. Indefinite article an is used before singular countable nouns begins with vowel sound. For example, an apple, we know, an MBA, an SAE. In the same way, S physically consonant sound, but when it is pronounced, a vowel sound appeared in the beginning. As a vowel sound is appeared in the beginning, we used beginning article and definite article a and an is used before SAA. Definite article the, use of definite article the, as we already said, definite article the is used before noun and it specifies the noun, which noun is being referred to in the sentence, and then next, the is used before name of holy books, the Bible, the only daughter, the communist. The article is used before name of party, the Sahara, the Cornally longest river, the USA, the Netflix, countries, adjective, the Netflix, the Gurungs, the West, with the article is used with direction, the West, the East, the guitar, the is used before name of musical instruments, the first, the second, the third, this way, the 30s, the 40s, the 10th, this way we can use, the rich, the poor, with the article is used with adjective refers to the whole class of which refers to the whole of that class, the rich, the poor. In this way, the young, the head, the Himalayas, the Taj Mahal, the Stone Age, the top, the bottom, the rising Nepal, the rising Nepal. The is used before name of newspaper. The is used with superlative. For example, the best, the tallest, Next, school, college, temple, hospital, court, church, market, bed. When above things are used in a sentence for their primary purpose, no article, but the article is used for their secondary purpose. For example, I go to study to I go to school to study. I go to the school to meet my friends. In this in these two sentences, the word school is used differently. In first example, school to study means primary purpose of school is study or studying. And beside this, all falls under secondary purpose. So, first example, there is no article. The article the is not used here. I go to school to study. Not I go to the school to study. Second example, I go to the school. Here, article the is used before naming word school because school is using here for their secondary purpose to meet my friends, his friends. स्कुल चाहिँ आफ्नो साथी भेट्नको लागि गइएको छ त्यसैले यो चाहिँ सेकेन्डरी पर्पस हो सो फर देयर सेकेन्डरी पर्पस here article the is used before school so it applies to the all college temple hospital court church market bed etc zero article when article are not used before the name of days in month before the name of language subject no article I have a good knowledge of Nepali. I have a good knowledge of Nepali. I have a good knowledge of the Nepali nuts. Games, sports. With name of games and sports, article is not used. For example, I play the volleyball. I play the volleyball. Second, I play volleyball. Volleyball is name of games. So, if we use article the before name of games, is grammatically wrong. Right is I play volleyball. With colors, article is not used. I like blue one. With illness, article is not used. He has passed away because of pneumonia. He has passed away because of pneumonia. Not he has passed away because of the pneumonia. That's wrong. With name of meals, article is not used. For example, I am taking lunch. Not I am taking the lunch. It's grammatically wrong. But in some specific time and situation or if the situation demands that time article is used but only occasionally not as a rule. About articles abbreviated lines are in many languages articles are a special part of a speech which cannot be easily combined with other parts of a speech like is in English also. In English language, article is a part of parts of a speech. Article in language is like a drop in the river water, but a purifying entity. It makes the meaning, especially about the noun, more clearer. So, is said is a purifying entity.